This video explores how to move beyond the visualization trap. Most people visualize what they want, but miss the one signal required to create it. Seeing the future is only half the equation. The missing link is not in the mind, but in the body. We are often caught in the hypnosis of waiting. When we visualize a desire but wait for the event to happen before we feel the emotion, we reinforce the experience of lack. This confirms the separation between you and your future. To truly change, you must disconnect to reconnect and exit your current environment. Sit your body down, close your eyes, do not get up, and do not do anything. It is not enough to see the future. You must teach your body the future by emotionally feeling what that future is like before it happens. You must stay in the feeling of that future to be aligned with that destiny. The body creates the signal. This leads to the vibrational match. When your internal energy synchronizes with a potential in the quantum field, a match occurs. This synchronization bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to be. You are aligning, not waiting. The goal is to stop chasing and let it find you. When the feeling is real, you begin to draw events and experiences to you. Expect the unexpected. The manifestation will arrive in a way you cannot predict.